So hello guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in this video we will have a look at the iPod shuffle. So this thing is from 2006 and yeah, a lot of nostalgia with the iPod era. So yeah, so let's get started with the unboxing and all. I'm still having the box of it, so I will show you guys what it used to contain. So let's get started. So this is the box of iPod Shuffle, and the variant which I am having is of 1 GB. Yeah, so let's open it. So iPod was kept somewhere on top. There was some clip. Obviously, like after 18-19 years of usage, the clip has gone missing. So yeah, this is the iPod, and we have some features and some quick start guides on over here. Yeah, I opened it successfully. So this is the thing. So this is the instruction manual, as everything was controlled with the buttons. So green means good charge, orange means low charge, and red was a very low charge. And if any light is not coming, like so it used to means there was no charging in the iPod. And we have the quick start guide and some product information. So yeah, everything was operated through iTunes. This is the guide. Now the important thing that we have is the charging dock. So it's coming from like this. So there was only one audio jack, and the cool thing was the dock. Back in the day, it was very cool to charge this device, and of course the box was very small, so you needed to purchase the adapter separately, as you guys can see. Now we will try to charge our iPod Shuffle, and let's check it out if it still works in 2025 or not. So as you guys can see, everything was controlled with these tiny buttons, and like let's try to connect it again. There is some kind of light coming in, and yeah, it's working in 2025.